These points are located on the back of your neck, about an inch below the base of your skull on either side of the spine. First, find the center of the base of your skull right over here. Now find the point that's the width of one thumb below that, right here. Now find the point that's the width of one thumb to the side of that, right here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the point. Massage this point in a circular motion for 20 to 30 seconds, like this. Now find and massage this point on the other side of your neck.